Good morning. Say good morning.
Good morning.
She likes breakfast, so I'm about to make breakfast. What do you want to eat? You want to eat? I don't know. We'll figure it out. So I made the matzo meal, and now I'm about to redo my refrigerator because we finally got the parts. So got this bottom part, so I'm about to redo all this top parts so that everything can fit. Oh, you got these ones. I'll add this one. Yep. So we're at Charlie's birthday party. Say hi, Jaden. Say hi, Vicky. I got shrimp taco, beans, rice, and chips. This is the party. Where's Charlie at? We got Caden and Corey.
Oh, wait, look, it's a pie. It's okay, it's yours.
Hey, Luna. Hi, baby.
Mommy.
Hi.
Mommy.
Yes. Oh, the balloons, girl.
Children,
What? No.
why are you trying to step on my shoes? Why are you trying to get on my shoes? You can't even lift up my shoes.
She said stop.
Why are you trying to
Why
take
mess?
off?
Thank you for coming to my party.
You're welcome.
Welcome.
Happy birthday, right? Hey, can everybody, Charlie has something to say, and then we're going to sing happy birthday. Charlie, go ahead.
Thank you for my party. Thank you for coming to my party.
You're welcome.
All right, Charlie, come back here.
I'll do the conducting.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Charlie. Happy birthday to you. Woo!
Let's make a wish. How old are you? Say it out loud.
5. I guess that's the way they play.
Go take a picture.
Luna, look, it's over there.
Sorry, I know you like. Are you
I know, I totally did.
Go take a picture. Come on.
I don't like taking pictures.
Like, come here. Say cheese. Cheese.
Okay, that's it. That's it. Kennedy, come on. Good try.
Luna. What? You like that? At the end of the party. Luna. So every year we leave the birthday party. Vicky gives them their Christmas presents and birthday presents. Because my brother's son's birthday is Christmas Eve. So that's all his gifts right there. And those, the blue bag and the orange bag with Luna's, I'm gonna also let her open her Barbie. So King gets to pick 3 or 4 gifts to open now. The rest on his birthday or Christmas. And then, yep, I'm gonna open the blue one and the rest of her gifts on Christmas.
Cause I feel like stars are changing, love on the daily. Call me your baby Phil. I know you hate me, talk to me crazy. We could just run away. Wanna see, run away. Wanna be, run away. Run away. We could go late summer walk out in the middle of the night. No chitter talking, I don't wanna start a fight. My friend's hard cat, get the car, take a ride. Cause they're my fill. Lifestyles are changing, love on.
Shoes, beanie, socks, hat, good clothes. He got this sweatsuit, the Warriors sweatsuit, NBA sweatsuit, a tracksuit,
What's the tracksuit?
pajamas. Tracksuit is like a matching sweatsuit.
Oh, this?
He got Minecraft sweatsuit, a Pokemon pajamas, a camo bag, these shoes, the shoes over there, and spray pans. And mind you, he's not even done. But we're gonna save the rest of the gifts for either his birthday or Christmas. Well, now that the kids are in bed, it's about time to wind down. So I'm drinking my red wine. It's a midnight Mate Trois. I'll show you guys. Midnight Mate Trois. I just lit a candle. And me and Babe, I'm about to probably watch a movie. So I'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow we are doing Christmas holiday pictures with Vicky and Charlie. Yes, it's on today. It was Charlie's birthday, so we do it every year for the kids since Charlie and Kaden are brothers. So yeah. All right. Good night.